Hello everyone, welcome to the Hatake Kakashi channel. How are you guys? Today we are discuss about different topic. Now we will discuss about 5 strongest clan in this part. Are you new in Hatake Kakashi channel? If you are new, so please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for get the notification about the latest update. Number 20. Iburi. One of the most unique clan abilities comes from the Iburi. This family can turn into smoke at a moment's notice. However, there is a serious flaw. They don't have complete control over it. Or if they randomly turn into smoke and the wind separates their body too much, they will lose their life. Going outside in any way is a serious danger for them. Even though their power is distinct and they are a defensive clan, the conditions of their abilities makes them a danger to themselves. These poor people struggle to live a normal life. In one of Orochimaru's more fearful moments, applying curse marks to each member let them regulate their power. However, they still rely on this to stay safe. Number 19. Lee. Throughout Naruto, the shinobi make it very clear that it's high impossible to become an effective ninja without ninjutsu. Considering the Lee clan has none, it easily makes them one of the weakest family in Konoha. However, Rock Lee wasn't deterred. It's only taijutsu at his disposal. He wanted to become a shinobi at any cost. After all, he risked his life in surgery to continue his training. With Rock Lee, the Lee clan's power changed distinctly. Between him and his son, there is honor and strength in their blood. However, before them, their family hardly measures up. Furthermore, no matter their achievements, they still cannot perform ninjutsu. They still never could reach the power levels of ninja clan with such as abilities. Number 18. Hoshigaki. Most of the time, clan in Naruto have signature looks, but nothing to do with their specialization. The Hoshigaki clan is not one of those. Every member of his family in some way has gills and shark-like features. Their most infamous member, Kisame, joined the Akatsuki and caused havoc across several lands. Not only did he have skill, but sharp teeth and fish skin. If fans didn't know better, he had easily passed for a bizarre Orochimaru experiment. These people, some of Kirigaku's more violent members, love battle and competition. Even generations later, when Kirigaku is more peaceful, Shizuma Hoshigaki tries to cause more combat and trouble in the now peaceful village. Number 17. Tsuchigumo. Running their own village, the Tsuchigumo clan prides themselves in self-sufficiency. By the third Shinobi War, though they tired of getting caught in the crossfires, the leader devised a technique to destroy entire villages, giving them the proper firepower to protect themselves. However, he promised to forbid the jutsu if Konoha protected them under any circumstance. The third Hokage agreed. Unfortunately, the Tsuchigumo technique eventually put the village in danger. A gang planned on using the ninja embed with the ability Hotaru to destroy her own village. While they didn't succeed, Hotaru chose to let the technique end with her. Tsuchigumo clan, innovative and strong, need to find another way to protect themselves. Number 16. Inuzuka. As one of the more unique ninja clans, the Inuzuka are proficient warriors because of their bonded relationships with their dogs. Not only do they become strong ninja, but they raise impressive and intimidating. When an Inuzuka member comes of age, They are given their own dogs to raise. This becomes their constant companion, learning ninja skills and combo moves to become the best shinobi team they can be. While Kiba is Inuzuka fans know, his mother and sister are also powerful and respected shinobi. They help resolve the 4th shinobi war alongside all other Konoha ninja for their own strength and practical dog breeding abilities. They are an important clan in their village. So that's the end for today. The next part will come very soon. If I make any mistake, please forgive me. And if you enjoy this video, so leave a like and let me know what you know about Strongest Clan. All of you guys, thanks a lot.